Happy birthday, Kim! Ayan, wish ko sa'yo ay mas madami ka pang birthday na i-celebrate para mas marami pang pagkakataon na makasama ka ng family mo. And kami sa TP Boys, ako nga pala si Kuya Jepoy ng TP Boys. Ayun, pinabati kita ng happy birthday and ingat ka palagi. And andito lang ang TP Boys para sa'yo. Happy birthday, Kim! Bye-bye!
This is Kuya Eli of TP Boys. Happy birthday, Kim. Wish you a good health and God bless.
Hi Kim, happy birthday. This is your Kuya Rix from TP Boys. God bless you and more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Kim. I'm happy to know na isa ka sa fan ng TP Boys. Wish you good health and more birthdays to come.